Ever wondered how to keep your puppy entertained and happy? Introducing our Puppy Toys, a six-pack of adorable chew toys designed specifically for your small dog. Made from high-quality, non-toxic rubber, these toys are soft, durable, and safe for your furry friends. Each toy features unique shapes and molar bumps that clean teeth, massage gums, and help control tartar and plaque. Imagine your puppy bonding with you while staying active and healthy. These interactive toys are perfect for playtime, alleviating boredom and reducing destructive chewing habits. They also make an ideal gift for any puppy owner. Don't wait. Transform your puppy's playtime experience and give them the joy they deserve. Get your Puppy Toys today.